In Russia, the lockdown has lifted, and on Russia Day, people celebrated a job well done by healthcare workers. Only coronavirus has nowhere near receded, with close to 9,000 new cases still reported each day. Even President Vladimir Putin was out shaking hands. His main purpose was to talk up an upcoming constitutional vote to legitimize his ambition to stay in power for years to come.
That's dangerous.
But election volunteer Sergei Romanchuk, who usually goes door to door registering voters, quit this week in protest. He fears the vote will create more mass illness.
Personal risk of any member of election commission who will be actually going for to the people homes, that's very high.
Putin lifted the lockdown early and may be holding the vote now because Russia's economy is bad and getting worse. It's the same story in country after country, in Latin America, especially Brazil, and in Asia, especially India, where people have started getting married again, even as positive cases shoot up. Global health expert Madhu Pai of McGill University says poorer nations are suffering from lockdown fatigue.
In a fragile setting, when you're living on pretty much your daily wages, the lockdown is disastrous. And so at some point, the politics of this means that no country can continue these restrictions or lockdowns.
Instead, Pai says only those with symptoms and others who come in contact with them should be isolated.
I think the fact that cases are continuing to skyrocket post-lockdown tell me that the numbers are far away from their peaks.
Given the choice of starving an economy or more coronavirus, the world's poorer nations are deciding a higher casualty count is the less devastating of the two. Chris Brown, CBC News, Vancouver.